Hey traders! Today we're taking a hard look at Cmecxzalive. Cmecxzalive has recently come under scrutiny due to the lack of available information, raising significant concerns for potential users. Key concerns: scam allegations. According to a YouTube video by Crypto News Daily, Cmecxzalive has been flagged as a potential scam broker. The video urges viewers to report the platform immediately for further investigation. Withdrawal issues. ReportScamTrading.com features a review highlighting users' inability to withdraw funds from Cmecxzalive. This is a classic red flag associated with fraudulent investment schemes. Misleading association. The use of CME in the domain name appears to be an attempt to associate with the legitimate CME Group, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a reputable financial derivatives exchange. However, Cmecxzalive is not affiliated with the actual CME Group. Lack of regulation. There is no evidence of Cmecxzalive being registered or regulated by any recognized financial authority, a critical concern for investor protection. Unrealistic promises. The platform reportedly claims to offer passive income opportunities, which is often a tactic used by scam operations to lure unsuspecting investors. Red flags to consider. Pressure tactics. Be wary of any platform urging quick investments or deposits without due diligence. Limited transparency. Legitimate firms provide clear information about their operations, team, and regulatory status. Unsolicited offers. Exercise caution if approached with unsolicited investment opportunities. Protecting yourself. Avoid deposits. Given the numerous red flags, it's strongly advised not to deposit any funds or personal information on Cmecxzalive. Seek professional advice. Consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter this website, consider reporting it to relevant authorities to help protect others. If you've been scammed by Cmecxzalive, there are resources available, but exercise caution. Avoid being a victim of another get-your-money-back-quick scam. Instead, contact brokercomplaintalert.com to get a free consultation and recovery service. We provide recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description. Before you invest with any broker, do your homework. Read independent reviews, check their regulations.